Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change OneNote background to light or dark mode. This is a fantastic way to reduce eye strain and customize your workspace to match your preference, especially if you work in different lighting conditions throughout the day. Let's dive right in and get this sorted out for you. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load, especially if you have a lot of notes or sections. You want everything to be properly displayed before making any changes to the interface settings. Once your notebook has been loaded and you can see all your pages and sections clearly, we're ready to change the background mode. Head to your View tab located on the top part of your screen where your menus and tools are located. This is the same area where you'll find options for zoom, page color, and other display settings. Go ahead and click on View to access these customization options. From the View menu, look for the Switch Background button. You'll recognize it easily because it's the menu with the moon icon next to it. This is essentially a toggle button that switches between light and dark mode. It's designed to be simple and intuitive, so there's no complicated settings menu to navigate through. Simply click on it and your page will instantly turn to light or dark mode, depending on which mode you were previously using. The change happens immediately, so you'll see your entire OneNote interface transform right before your eyes. If you were in light mode, everything will shift to a darker, more muted color scheme that's easier on the eyes in low light environments. If you were in dark mode, it'll switch back to the brighter, clearer light background that many people prefer during daytime work. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your OneNote background to light or dark mode. This simple toggle gives you complete control over your visual workspace, allowing you to adapt to different times of day or personal preference with just one click. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.